Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Well, it's Friday again. So, this was the week with the FOMC and interest rate decision. Ugly, boring, not too many things we can trade, not too many things we can, do in the market. The best thing to do this week was to either stay out, either never look at the market. Yeah. What, Bukur? What again? We have sound, we have video. Let's look at Bitcoin on a daily chart. I think that's the best we can do. Yeah, Friday again, Bukur. Sorry. So, we didn't do anything from yesterday or 2 days ago. Yesterday we kind of closed the gap from upside. So technically we have on lower time frame, on 4-hour chart, we can say we have we don't have any gaps here. On daily time frame, some people say that we need to close a candle body in the gap, at the low of the gap or at the high, to consider it closed. And my view, I think it's done already. You can see the market tested that level, rejected from that level, which is good. Similar here on the lower part. So I don't know if we can consider gaps anymore there. But that doesn't mean we have a trade or we have something to do. This is not the best price action. You can see we are rejecting from that level, from 87, 88. And if we'll continue to do this, to play this downtrend, well, the next stop should be in Wyckoff check 74 and maybe even lower. Who knows? It's Friday. I don't think we should hunt too aggressively. If we didn't manage to do anything the entire week, I don't think we'll have something special today. But who knows? So I'll play on lower time frame. I have some levels there. I posted yesterday in the chat. But for the moment, on daily and higher time frame, the best option is just to wait, to form something better, to wait for more sideways price action, to give us better levels. If we'll test 74, that's a good level to watch for a long. If we'll push lower without a double, we'll push lower in the long reload zone, that's even better. But here, no. Let's see Ethereum. Ethereum has a daily double. It's a bit different. Something is a bit different about Ethereum. You can see double here, breakout, retest. Will this retest hold? Well, honestly, I don't know. But it's possible. For example, Bitcoin to drop all the way down to the Wyckoff check 74 and Ethereum to retest here in lower part of the 1900, maybe in the long reload zone, and hold these levels. It's possible. But on daily, I have this trend line here. Give me a W the other side, and then okay, I could think about a setup on daily. For the moment, we rejected from 38.2. Yeah? And now we are playing between that level and long reload zone. If we'll push here to the support, maybe pump chaser zone here, because you can see some support here, I could see a bounce here. Lower time frame, go find a W, play that W. But otherwise, nothing. For people that are not day traders, they are position traders, swing traders, and they want to join with Ethereum, because, well, it's a $2,000, good level. I think the best solution is to wait for a W here. W the other side of the trend line, and then you can play. We have the initial one, breakout retest, give me the second one the other side of the trend line, and I could join. That's Ethereum. Bitcoin dominance, nothing burger. You can see high, low, same range. Yeah, we had some movement here, but for the moment we are still fighting 61.5. And I'll put 4-hour chart just to get a better idea. Yeah, breaking down, retest, and breaking down again at 61, and now we are back here. Clear definition from my part of a range here. So you saw what happened this week. Not too many things we can do. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. We have a W for our chart. I think we have a daily W also, which is not bad. Daily W, breakout and retest. We have the retest already. So we can consider that Ethereum next week will start outperforming Bitcoin. Well, let's see. We have location, we have W's, we have breakout, we have retest. We have some W's on RSI and OBV. So if the market wants to push higher, yeah, it's possible. And it's about fucking time to get a bounce, no? We tested this tail all the way down and even more. We made the W here. I don't see why not. Where is Eric Trump now to say about Ethereum that maybe it's a good idea to buy Ethereum? Not when he posted. Now it's a good idea to think about Ethereum. And still, careful. Okay, now Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, dominance, total market cap in the same place like yesterday. Similar on total 3, not too many things we can do here. On daily, altcoins are trying to consolidate, and some of them have daily Ws. You can see this is a daily W, people. Take it or leave it, but it's there. And almost everything looks the same. You can see here, similar price action here. It's trying. Is just a dead cat bounce or not? Well, we'll have to wait to find out. The problem is, if you'll wait on the sidelines or you'll wait with a position, you have some skin in the game. It's up to you. Entirely up to you. You can see. AVAX, no W yet. Going sideways, maybe from now on will make something nice. But some of them, they have not the best, but a W. And I could go over and over again, and all the altcoins, they are looking similar. Some of them, like this one, has a better W. You can see it. Let's put a line chart. Maybe some people want to see the line chart. You can see. Low, neckline, higher low, breakout, retest. Come on. That's textbook. Okay? Up to you. Take it, leave it. I'm not a financial advisor. Combo doesn't have anything. Well, just leave it alone until it'll form something. This one has an acceptable, but not the best one. Dent. Well, I think this could be considered a W. If you put the line chart, yeah, it is. DYDX. Not the best. But you get the idea, people. Yeah? We are going sideways. We are consolidating. How much time will take to consolidate and confirm the W's and retest them? I don't know. Idea is that altcoins are, they don't have too many sellers anymore. Nobody's interested in them, but people who bought them at the top, they sold already. Or if there are people that they are still in altcoins, they'll say, fuck it, let them go to zero, I'm not selling. Like my approach. If I bought some, I'm not selling here, that's for sure. If we'll go to zero, so be it, so what? Yeah? So sellers, kind of gone. I could talk about the entire list here. It's looking similar. I don't see anything special. I see Monero is strong. Yeah? If you look at Monero on higher time frame, is stronger than the rest. Some altcoins are performing, some altcoins are lagging. This one is trying to form a bottom here. Yeah. Nothing special on TIA on daily. Yeah, you can see it's a big range from 2.5 to 4.5. So up to you. But here in the middle of the range, I don't suggest to start trading TIA. I suggest to leave it alone. If you bought some at $3, well, you're lucky. We tested $3 a couple of times. So maybe wait for another retest here in 2.9. If you're lucky and you'll get it, that's your level. SSV, we have a trade on 4-hour chart on this one, on swing trade. But you can see why I'm not posting more setups on 4-hour chart and swing trading. Because I see that the market is going sideways. I don't see the momentum yet. So I prefer not to post. I posted this one and you can see it's lagging, nothing burger. Why I should have 10 position like this one in the market? If something is happening, everything will hit my stop loss and I'll lose 10%. When I see momentum, when I see that the market is going at 1-to-1 and higher, and well, I could move my stop to scratch and then I could load another one and I see the market going higher and higher, okay. But now, no. It's going sideways and nothing I can do. So that's why we don't post too many swing trades, people. Protecting capital is more important than having trades in the market. What's the purpose to have a trade in the market? To take advantage of the market. Yeah, I saw an advantage, I put a position, I assume the risk in case I'm wrong, but if I'm right, I'll make money. If I don't have that advantage, I prefer to keep my money in my account. I don't want to be in a position. That should be our thinking at all of us in Crypto Traders Arena. We are risking our money only when we have an advantage. If we don't have that advantage, we can stay 1 full month, 1 year, doesn't matter, on the sidelines. When you are risking your money, you need to have an advantage. Yeah? If you take that trade 100 times, overall you'll make money. If you don't have that advantage, or you have a disadvantage, just don't trade. Doesn't matter that you got lucky in a trade and you made some money. Overall, when you draw the line after 1 week or 1 month, you lost money. I know a lot of you, well, I don't have trades. Well, I'm not here to have emotions about trades. I'm not here to put trades. I'm here to make money. Yeah? I'm making money taking trades. If I don't have an advantage, I'm not playing. So I don't want to hear people, well, it's boring. Yeah, it's boring. Stay on the sidelines. Wait. You are here to watch movies or feel emotions or have, I don't know, dopamine, or you are here to make money. If you are here to make money, trading correctly done should be damn boring. That's for sure. Not exciting. Okay, let's go on lower time frame and see what we have. 1 hour Ethereum here, you can see. Pump chaser zone first time. I'm waiting here. Will we get that pump chaser zone? I think we can. And if you put an AB equals CD, well, that AB equals CD is pointing out a bit lower. At 1900 level. Okay? But I'll take the W if will come here in a pump chaser zone. Let's move it forward. Something like this here. Okay? Here, if you want to scalp, okay. You have a 5-minute chart here. You have a shark level or something. But scalping is nothing else. Okay? So it's up to you. Reload. There you go. 61.8 tested once, twice, 3 times. You can play a lower time frame trade here on Ethereum if you want. That's kind of what Stefan is hunting with VIP people. On 1 hour time frame, you should stay with these pump chasers on 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Now, that's Ethereum. Bitcoin, on the other hand, you can see is going in the direction we accept, we think about. And some people took DCM. Not bad, not bad. That's a continuation trade and it's okay. Because you have A, B, C, D, and now you have another A, B, C, D, which is pointing out if I'll double this one, yeah, clone this one and put another one, yeah, it's pointing out all the way down here. Okay, I saw some people on VIP taking DCM here. Not bad. Yeah, that's a classic AB equals CD trade. I could flip the chart to show it a bit better. Let's do that. Okay, so taking the fib here, this is the last AB equals CD. AB, we have 33%. We made the double exactly in that level. Not the best, not the worst. Acceptable. Yeah. And now you took the W here, and the target is all the way up at the highs. Okay? Damn simple. That's your target here. So who took that trade? I think short, I think. There you go. Well, 3.6. Not bad. Inverse K. And now you can see why people took that trade. Some people took this one on lower time frame, which is even better. That's a 5-to-1. Was a bit too early. Was ASEAN session. I didn't took it. I need to sleep, and I slept like a baby. I don't want to trade. Okay? I need my beauty sleep. I cannot survive without it. So that's the idea here. I could see the market pushing all the way down. Well, I had a fib here. Where is my fib? Come on, give me my fib back. I deleted that one. I think so. There you go. So that's my thinking. W here, first attempt on Bitcoin. A double in the long reload zone, breakout and retest. That's why when you see me putting a W with breakout and retest, that means I want to enter at the retest. Okay? That's why I have this one here, because I want the W breakout. I don't want to take the breakout, could be a fake out. I want a clear breakout, close above, and then at the retest, then I'll enter. So that's my first attempt here. If I'll see a W, I'll take it. If not, shark, it's already waiting there. Okay. Here on 1 hour, 4 hour chart, you have on one low here, you have one low here. You can play a 5 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute SFU there. But keep in mind, it's a scalp. Play the reclaim. That's the best. Move your stop to scratch or make it risk free at 1-to-1, and then you don't know what will happen. Okay? So, that's my thinking here on Bitcoin for today. And some people said, well, I'm not retweeting because I'm working when you are live streaming. Well, I make this live stream for the entire fucking day. I'm not planning for the next half an hour. I'm planning for the entire day. So it's okay to watch this live stream the entire day. Some levels will still be there. My thinking will still be valid, in my humble opinion. So when you watch the live stream, when you watch the recording, it's okay to go on Twitter and do a repost. Because we have 1,500 people and I got, I don't know. I tested yesterday and I got 15 reposts. Come on, people. You can do better than that. If we have 200 people watching the live stream, I think half of them, they could do a repost. It's not so hard. Let's say 25%, they didn't like the live stream. Okay. Another 25, they don't have Twitter maybe, yeah? But we still have 50%, which is kind of 100 people that they could put that repost. That's the best way to grow our community. But if you don't want, don't do it. Don't feel forced to do it. Only if you want. Now, yeah, that's why I make that's why it's called daily crypto plan. It's not to watch the live stream. I'm not, when you want to day trade, well, you have Tuesday with Stefan. Stefan is talking about 5-minute chart there. Yeah? And then it's you take the trade or you don't take the trade. But daily crypto plan, it's valid for the entire day, sometimes for more days. So up to you people, but I think we, as gladiators in Crypto Traders Arena, we are posting some content for without asking anything in exchange. And when we say please repost, I think you can do that. I think you get some ideas, some nice ideas from chat. You saw Tolga lately posting even day trades. Yeah? So, up to you people. This is my 2 cents. Now, SFU here for a London session. Yeah? Stefan, I bet he's watching these levels here for the London session for VIP. Next setup, the double in the long reload zone. You can see this is the area where specifically you want to hunt. Where the fuck are you? Okay, this is it. Huh? Here it's damn nice to play it. Hey, come on, motherfucker. There you go. If we'll reverse, probably will be from here. If we'll touch the shark, then the shark will enter. But it's possible shark not to be touched and form a double above. So that's the next one, shark. And then, well, SFU, you know the drill. If this everything will fail, then we have SFU here, 5-minute chart and lower. We'll have a bounce there and we can hunt lower. But level by level, SFU, W, shark, SFU again, if will be the case. I don't think will be the case today. Similar for Ethereum, we talked about Ethereum. Altcoins, TIA on 1 hour chart. Well, I don't know if I want to play something on TIA. Okay, not on 1 hour. I don't see anything special on 1 hour. I could see an AB equals CD forming here, but on higher time frame, 4 hour chart. AB, CD, and it's a bit lower than we expected. It's above 66, so it's okay to take this W, but I don't know if it's the best. Tao, kind of similar, going sideways. Solana, ugly. And I don't see anything else on the rest. Hype, well, we have already a nice move on Hype. You can see it here. A, B, CD. You can see A, B, W, CD. Clear. You can take this big W. You can take this one. We had that. Now we have a shoulder, head, shoulder, breakdown, retest. You want to play the market there on Hype? No. You want to wait lower for a proper W, breakout and retest. So same pattern. Huh? Same pattern here. W, breakout, retest. Somewhere in this area. I don't know exactly where. But you get the idea. The rest of them, they are just lagging. Bera chain. We are in the long reload zone on 4 hour chart and higher. W, breakout and retest. Well, I think you can play that one. That's a better AB equals CD than the rest. Okay. AB, let's see if we have an AB. Well, at limit because we touched 66, so. And now we have against DCM now. It's a bit, it's rangy already. It looks like we'll go sideways. Nah, no thank you. Could be an AB equals CD, but no. Overall, you got the idea. That's, we talked about Bitcoin, we talked about Ethereum, altcoins, not too much we can do. Well, we had the big news, the final news on Ripple. Why is not pumping? No. The SEC dropped all the charges and Ripple could do whatever he wants. Well, going sideways. Well. Not too many things you can do here. Even on this one. I'll wait in the long reload zone here. Yeah, we are upgrading to islands. Well, let's not upgrade to serving at McDonald's, Bukur. I told you in the chat. Not owning McDonald's, working at McDonald's. Some people that don't have plans, don't have a strategy, they don't have patience, they didn't learn how to trade, well, they'll have to go back at McDonald's. You want fries? That will be that will be the phrase they'll learn. If you don't learn, be patient and wait on the sidelines, you'll learn another phrase. You want fries with that? Or something similar. It's not my... Well, make a plan for investment. Make a plan if you want to dollar cost average. We have some plans on Crypto Traders Arena. Be patient. As a trader, learn first, trade after. Yeah, make money after. We have Capua 1. If you are interested in Capua 1 and you're serious, DM me. Yeah, to book your place for the next round. I don't know exactly when. When I'll know exactly, I'll open the payment also. You cannot pay for the moment, but you can DM me and tell me, well, I'm interested and I want to join the next round, because usually we accept below 20 people or 20 people max. And I'll see how it goes, how the market is moving, and I'll probably do another round this year if I have what it takes. But learn first and make money later. If not, well, it's up to you people. You can spend your money, try to learn by yourself, like I did until I managed to. And then I still made some education programs. Okay, people, if you have requests, please type in the chat. If not, let's call it a live stream. It's Friday anyway, not too much movement. What will happen in the weekend? I don't know. It's a coin or what is that, Dan? Ah, there you go. You can see I put a fib on this one. Talking strictly about daily, then. Look at it. Okay, you are at 13 cents. Yeah, more than, and the bottom here, starting on Binance, it's 10 times lower. Huh? No W inside, nothing. I don't see a W. It's like exactly catching falling knives. The only thing you can do here then is to, well, if you don't have a bag, is to start dollar cost averaging. No? Dollar cost averaging week by week, small amount of money, buy same amount of dollars, not the same amount of coins, so you'll drag the price even better to the downside. I don't know what this coin is doing. I see the initial trend line, the aggressive one, and you are the other side. Huh? You can see it's steep, but I don't see W's here, nothing. Ugly like shit. It's going down. Look at tokenomics. Probably you have a problem with tokenomics. Let's go CoinMarketCap. Let's see why. Come on, motherfucker. This one. So, all market cap, all, and you can see the high was $1.5 market cap. Kind of similar here. Let's see the unlocks. Ooh. Look at the unlocks, people. You can see you don't like that. Let's see small unlocks. No? Small unlocks. Let's check that. Well, every fucking day you have a small unlock. Not big, but it's there. 2 million, 2 million, 2 million. Every day, that compounds. So, if you want to play safely on this one, it's consolidating but still bleeding. You need the market to give you a daily W, or better, it's a weekly W. And you are far away from that. Nothing inside. Was just a nice pump, a nice dump here. I don't know if they are working anymore on this one, because I don't see any pump, anything. If you still believe in this project, I don't see why. I don't know anything about it. Wait for a W. That's my suggestion. Okay. Look at it. Nothing. We have only one divergence here, confirmed. OBV is pointing down. 4-hour chart. Look at it. No. You should wait. That's the only thing I could say. Merl. And that's the last one. Let's see, Merl. Where the fuck I could get this one? Merlin? Yeah. What is here? Where I could try this one? Bybit. Yeah. I hope it's the same. Nah. I don't see anything special here. Not a W inside. You can see these are not clear W's. You can have this one, but we lost it. Yeah? So you had a W here, fake out, and you lost the low. Not valid anymore. Here, not a W, equal lows here. Ugly. Up and down. Well, you can do something like this. Wait for daily W's in a proper location. Proper location means here. If you see the market coming back down here and do a proper W, play this pattern. You know the pattern? This is the pattern. There you go. So something in long reload zone or below. Okay. I don't see that one on KuCoin, but you get the idea. I think the price is similar on Bybit. FET. Let's see FET. No. What I could say about FET? Nothing special. People remember when we discussed about FET and I said at $2 and in this area here and even here I said I want FET below $1. Well, there you go. We are at 50 cents now. I hope you remember. I was blabbing away here in this live stream. Well, I want FET below $1. I don't want to even touch it above $1. Huh? Got my FET at $1. I'm dollar cost averaging, but nothing special. No, nothing special. It's the same shit like everything else. It's below 78.6, probably 88.6 now. Let's see. There you go. Daily W, weekly W, and then we can talk about. Honestly, looking here, I want a weekly W like this one. Here in 23. Yeah? W, breakout, and go. Low volatility environment, W's, and then we can talk about. Nothing else I can do here. Dollar cost average, that's the strategy. Yeah? And even dollar cost average, people, is not the best coin. Yeah? It's 50 cents and the high was the 3.5. What's the reward there? So yeah, you can play. You can add a little bit, but if instead we'll go to 10 cents here, I'll go below 10 cents, let's say 2 cents, well, then gets more attractive from that level. You can see here. From 13 cents looks more attractive for me. It's impossible. No, it's not impossible to go there. Not impossible. I know sometime in the past some people said it's impossible to go below $1. And you can see it here. I don't see anything special for the moment. Let's see daily. Attempted W, not a clear W. We need clear W here. So let's assume that this was the pump. Could pump higher, but you get here. Below 61.8. Next W. And maybe we'll do a daily W, the proper one, and we'll say, well, fuck it, Paul, you are stupid, you don't know what you're saying. This will come here without a W. This will be the neckline, breakout, and retest. Well, that's better. I'll play this one, but here, no. I know, no. Not $10 anymore. Well, if you listen to a stupid trader like me in the past, you are safe now because you didn't bought the top on all the fucking shit coins. I told you, don't chase. I told you about TIA. I told you about everything. When I told you about weekly W retest, you said, well, I'm stupid. And now we are below the levels. But at least you didn't buy the top, you are in a better position. If you bought the weekly W retest and you are dollar cost averaging now, you are damn good position. When the market will pump, you can easily get a double and sell half on a double and get risk free. But, well, when I said about TIA $20, some people said TIA to 100, sorry. When I said about Tao, people said, no, Tao has to go to 2000. Look at Wiz what he's posting, not you. You are stupid. Well, I'm stupid, but with my money in my portfolio, people. So I prefer that. Nah, I have altcoins, I have everything. I don't need to go on anything else, Menace. Yeah, I know. And some people bought a lot of, I think TRIer bought a lot. Brian, I know he bought some. Miku bought some stock. Well, I don't know if it's anything is guaranteed, but you can go and buy some. I don't see why not, and I think there are exchanges that they are offering that. Even on crypto, you don't have to go on traditional market. Yeah. Okay, people. I blabbed away here for 40 minutes again. So, the same plan. I'll go on 1 hour to see it. You know the idea we talked about. Let's not talk about again. Let's hunt. If will be a SFU, we'll play the SFU. If we'll see something else, we'll play something else. See you people, it's Friday. See you people Sunday in the weekly crypto review. Yeah? Take care, protect your capital, and see you next week.